Well, hello. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today, I'm going to talk about how to crush up your eggshells for your worm bin. If you notice in some of my previous videos, I've been putting some like whole eggshells in and just crushing with my hand. And the thing I like about that concept is the fact that your worms, they'll be able to go inside the eggshells and mate and reproduce. So that's one good thing about leaving, every now and then leaving some eggshells in there that are just crushed up by hand. And the way I break them down to make them really fine, to allow the worms to get grit and to help control the pH balance in the worm bin, is that I will first rinse them off with warm water, and then I will put them in the microwave for 3 minutes and let them cool off. And then once they're cool off, I will throw them into a blender, and that will allow my eggs to grind and break down really fine, so the grit will be able to be applied to the worm bins. If you have a different technique, let me know, because I sure would like to learn from you and find out how you process your eggshells. And the reason you want to rinse your eggshells off and also to heat them up is to kill the bacteria that's inside the eggs. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day. Bye.